My first moto vlog, guys. What are we even going to talk about? I know what we're going to talk about. All right, everybody, let's get that cold start going. There's traffic. We're going to talk about how this is just kind of like a test video, test of the audio, making sure everything looks good, everything sounds good. Really no crazy topics. There's going to be other videos for those, kind of like my first impressions of this bike, my impressions of this helmet, all brand new. Damn, I had my blinker on that whole time. Awkward. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need one of those tinted visors. Having the clear visor on and going from having a tinted visor to having a clear visor, it's definitely noticeable. Lots of glare on my visor right now. And this particular helmet, the AGV K6, it doesn't have sunglasses, the little extra accessories like those. But yeah, I figured we just press the record button and just start riding. Kind of more of a quiet video than my most common videos that are going to be coming here in the future, where I'm going to be a little bit of a chatty McCatty. But this one I just wanted to really see how the audio comes out, how the video looks. That way I know I'm getting you guys the most crisp premium type of footage and audio for you, everybody here, for the videos here in the future. Ooh, that sun. Oh my goodness, that is bright. Yeah, so just an early morning ride. I think it's like 7:20. I'm on my way to work. So as I'm sure you probably realized me saying that, just like every other moto vlogger, everyone generally has a full-time gig that they have and a family back home. I am no exception. Okay. Cutting traffic. A little chilly this morning. Man, it's got to be like 40 degrees out. I think my chain needs to be tightened a little bit. unnecessarily early to work. Here comes the fun part. Is that red or green? We can't see. I'm not even hitting the highway yet and I'm freaking cold. I don't want to be this early to work. I'm already going to be a little early. I don't want to be too early. I was just excited to get on the bike this morning and start recording. Two GTs, yep. And 30 through here. There's a lot of cops usually hanging out on this street, so we're gonna take a little easy through here. And we're stopping. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below what do you guys want me to talk about, or if you guys have questions you need me to answer, if there's something you want me to do on the bike, what you don't want me to do on the bike. Yeah, about stop speeding and bobbing through traffic. It's dangerous. Yeah, I know. Oh, I need a tinted visor. That's definitely going to be on the top list for me, things to get. That sun glare is really rough this morning. I'm actually surprised everyone's in this lane. Normally in the mornings everyone's trying to take a left. What time is it? 7:30? Brr! Man, I need to get me some hand warmers on this thing. Alright. And we're on. Nice. Okay. Alright guys, I'm about to hit the 9 hours of work here, so stay tuned and I'll be right back. I had to show you guys this lineup. Look at that. Shelby GT350, the Corvette next to the bike. Whoo! I work with some crazy men. Crazy. Woo! And we're back. After 9 hours of working, got a little workout into at the end there, so I'm a little sweaty, but we're heading back home. What a long day today was. Mondays, man. Woo! Mondays are rough. Alright. Man, we got a lot of cars in front of us. We're gonna see if we can get around these guys once we get up to the light. Yeah, I made sure I try to work out after working, get it in, you know, even if it's for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, walk, jog, lift some weights, better than doing nothing. I gotta stay in shape so I can get rid of this dad bod looking thing I got going on. Man, this clear visor is real nice. I could see so well, so much better than those tinted visors. But the plan is still to get a tinted visor. A, not only do they look cool, but B, they are going to help a lot once spring and summer is coming around the corner, and I'm going to really want to have something tinted to help with all that sun glare, as we saw earlier in the video when that morning sun comes up. It is bright, it is blinding. You can still go, bro, it's yellow. Yeah, we're still going. All right, rookie. I believe that was a CBR 1000. Cool. What's going on? Gears. I need a 7th. Just kidding. This road gets pretty bumpy. I hate traffic. Gotta get that knee down. Oh, I guess we're stopping. All right. What is going on over here? Will this guy run out of gas? I have no idea. This is probably the worst part about the day of commuting, is this light right here. Traffic is terrible. I'm sure there's probably other places in other states, cities that you guys live in that's worse than this, but this one is pretty rough. Because there's no way I'm squeezing in between cars that close together. Heck no. Way too tight. Let me know what you guys think of the video footage quality, the audio. How does everything sound and feel? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If there's anything you guys need to change. But that's it for me, so I'll talk to you guys later. Peace!
Close your eyes.